Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to search a public server on Discord on mobile. So guys, Discord app doesn't allow you to do that. So you have to open Chrome browser, and once you open the Chrome browser, just go to discord.com/login. Search for this. It will take you to the login page first. If you have already logged in, it will take you to the dashboard, and here to search for a server you have to, can you see here, just need to tap on this explorer icon. Just tap on it, and from here you can find your on, or you can find the popular server here. So here the popular server already listed here. So if you want to search for particular one, you can search for it. Like I'm gonna search for Roblox. Let's see. So I got this Roblox server here. It's a verified. Just tap on it, and to join you just need to, and at the top you will see the join button. Just tap on it, and you're able to join any server using this feature, this steps. Hope you like it, guys. This is how you can do it. You need to follow some steps here to join, and that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.